What's up guys, I'm Sean, back at Thunderhill West. The last time I was here, I ran a 125.2 before my alternator went bad. This time I'm back with a new front splitter, new wheels, but same old tires. Let's see how the day goes. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Finished 4 sessions at Thunderhill West. I wasn't able to beat my personal best of 125.2, but I came really close to it. I ran a 125.22. Fortunately, I couldn't beat it today. The track is really hot. It's about 90 degrees here. The tires are really greasy. I went off a couple times today too, which is not good. Cutting my day short. Until next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.